All right, here we are at One Off Custom Design. There's Nick.
What's up?
All right, we got some cool shit in here. Nick likes to build bikes and make them fast, so he's got some really cool stuff. He is the guy for turbocharged anything. Anything. It doesn't matter. This guy makes him happy. So we got a chopped up bus in the back. Just a whole bunch of cool shit. Check him out at One Off Custom Designs on Facebook. Today, we're welding up some awesome suspension parts. Yep. So stay tuned. We're going to get the tube adapters and stuff TIG welded on here, and then look for the install coming up.
Now, is this chromoly or is this just you? No, this is just mild. This is mild. This is welded too. Okay. Yep. None of this is stainless. You're going to get it powder coated?
I'm just going to spray bomb it for now. It'll eventually get coated.
Okay.
I'm going to have to weld some more shit on it when we do.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we here? We're at 20.5 and 3/4. That's 10. 10 half of the same.
Those are going to look awesome.
I hope so.
I don't think they'll break.
Yeah, you ain't going anywhere. Overkill's good.
It's underrated.
Journey to Phil Collins.
It's quite a transition.
You want a hood? I got a cheaper one. Okay.
Now, why'd you hold the gun over the spot for a few seconds after you finished?
It's so the argon will still go over it while it cools down.
Keep it from flashing out?
Yeah, otherwise you get some porosity or weakens the joint. The argon covers the molten area, keep oxygen from it.
That's cool.
So it doesn't boil.
That makes sense. I've always wondered that.
So you hold it over it for a little while right after you're done. You don't burn the metal, even though it's...
That's how you get away. That's how you don't have the scorch sparks at the start and stop. All right, we got them done. Check this beautiful stuff out. All right, we're going to quench them, get them up to the shop, and then we'll get them installed. Stay tuned. Thanks, Nick.
No problem.